Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Williams with your literacy lesson. This is for day 2, and we're still working on letter O. Remember, letter O is a vowel. It makes 2 sounds. It makes the ah sound in a word, and then it also makes the letter O O sound. So it has 2 sounds whenever you're reading or writing. So one thing that can help you to identify the O sound, remember the word has a letter E at the end and it's a silent E, or sometimes we call it a sneaky E. And so it changes the vowel. And so when you see the letter E in a word, um, normally it's going to change the vowel to the long sound, or it says its name. And so for O, it's just going to say O, 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 O. All right, so let's go back over our poem. We had letter O, capital, lowercase. We had odd, otter. In Ottawa, there is an odd otter who floats on top of the water, but on hot days she jogs with the olive green frogs, and when she moves so fast you won't spot her. And so we've got the frogs chasing the otter, and so otter starts with O, odd starts with O. Then we have jogs and frogs, and what do those 2 words do? And those 2 are rhyming words. We have jogs and frogs. See if you can come up with other words that rhyme with jog and frog. And you notice it has the ah sound. Okay, next we have top and we have op, top, and that has the ah sound. We have nose, and it has the O sound, and there's the sneaky E or the silent E. And so it changes the sound for O, and it instead of ah, it has the O sound, like nose and rose. Here are our sight words or high frequency words. Make sure you're practicing your words every day. We've been sending home word lists, so let your teacher know if you need a new word list, or maybe you can't find yours, and we can send another packet of the words home for you to make sure and practice. It's very important that you learn all of these words, so when you see them when you're reading, you'll be able to quickly read. Also in first grade, they expect you to already know the words when you go to first grade. So make sure you're practicing. So the 3 words for this week, we have the word find, again, and over. And there's our letter O. And so we have over. And so it doesn't have that sneaky E there, but look, it has that E there. But this one has the sound. So it's just a different way that it's spelled for letter O. So we have over, again, find. So make sure you practice these words. Now we have our rainforest game, and we're going to play it for letter O. Okay, so we have not and we have hose. So the O in not is ah. The O in hose is O. So let's practice. And we have hot, hot. Where should we put the picture for hot? Okay, hot and not. So we did a good job. Okay, next one, pot, ought, ah. Is it like not, or is it like O for hose? Okay, we got it right. Next one is nose, O's. So hose and nose has the O sound. This one, stove, stove. So it has the O sound. So we have to put it with hose. Next one, lock, lock, lock. And so if it has the ah sound, like not, it has to go there. Next is rock, rock, ah. And so like not, it goes there. Where do you think this one goes? Globe. Is it like not, like ah, or is it hose, like oh, globe? And you should put it with the hose. Okay, next one, box. Where does box go? Okay, box has the ah sound. Next one, robe. Robe, robe, and it has the O sound. And this one, note. And then hopefully you can see the letters, and if you see that sneaky E, so it makes the O sound, just like hose. So we need to drag that there. Let's see this one, doll, all. And so that one goes here. And we have one more picture. This one is mop, mop, mop is the ah sound. So that one goes here. Okay. Okay, so you can always go back and review the video and look at the pictures, and you can also get your journal and practice writing and spelling the pictures. So for hot and box, globe, robe, you can also use those to practice sounding them out and writing those words. Okay. Okay, and then for your workbook page, we have 3 words, and 2 of them we have top and dot make the ah sound. We see the letter O, and you're just to read the word and then practice writing it at least 2 times. Make sure you pay attention to the size of the letters. If it's one of the ones that go below the dotted line, make sure you write it there. If it goes all the way to the top and the bottom, make sure you're doing the size correctly. Then we have dot, and just write it 2 times. The next word, there's the sneaky E for rope, and so you can just go and trace the letters and then practice writing the word rope 2 times. Okay. Next, we're going to practice some words, and I sent the link on my Google Classroom, and if you need the link for your class, I can send it to your teacher and she can attach it so that you can practice making words with the keyboard. So we're going to practice a few words, and our first word is log. And if you don't have this, you can just practice on paper. Log. So we have log, ah, o, log. Which letter do we need? It's letter G. Okay, so your first word is log. Next word that was in our poem, frog. What letter do we need? That's letter F. Frog. And then the sound. And then og, ah. Okay, and then frog, g. And then we have letter G. Okay, next word, dog, d, 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 og, dog. And then d, og. And if you notice here, they have the vowels in red. So our letter O, that's to help remind you that the letter O is a vowel and makes two sounds. Dog. G. Okay, so then we have the word dog. Now we're going to do a few more. Let's do top. T, 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 op. What's the next letter? Top. Okay, there's top. Next word, pop. How would you spell pop? We have p, ah. There's our ah sound. Pop. And then there's another P. Next one, let's do drop. Drr. And this is the D and the R together make the drr. And then op. Ah. And then letter P. Okay, now we're going to switch gears and we're going to do some of those words that have the O sound. So let's do hose. Hose. So we need the letter H and then hose. So there's O, hose. Letter S. And without the E, it would be hoss. Os. But we're spelling hose. So to make this one the long vowel O, we need letter E. So we're going to take that vowel. And now we have the word hose. But we don't say the sound for E. Okay, next word, rose. 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 And you have to say the word over and over again so you can hear the sounds that you need for the word. So rose. And since we have the O, it says the name O, we need that sneaky E. Okay, and then let's see. We have hose, rose. How about pose? Like you pose for a picture. We have pose. Pose. And to make the letter O, we need the E to make that word instead of ah to make it O. Okay, so we have hose, rose, pose. And then joke, j, j, joke as the O sound. So we have j, oak. What letter do we need next? J, o, k. So we have O. And then joke. Sounds like C, but this one is K. And since it's an O sound, we have to remember, oh, we need the letter E. So then you put the letter E here at the end. So here are some words to practice. You can use your workbook to sound out some more words. You might try to sound out the word jog, bone. You might do mom, home, dot. You could do tot. So think of words that have the O in them and practice sounding them out and writing them down. Also, when you're reading books, look for those words that have the O in there and practice the sound that you have. Have a good day.